ये वीडियो ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। इसे हिंदी में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चूज करें। Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Continuing with my home deep cleaning and reorganizing journey, today I will be resetting my dining area. This is the fifth video of our deep cleaning series. I've shared the links to all the videos in this series in the description box. In the dining area, we have our glassware and crockery unit. This is where I keep all my glassware and teacups. Today I'm going to empty this entire unit and clean it thoroughly. A lot of dust has collected inside, so I will have to wash everything kept here. Whatever can fit into the dishwasher, I'll load and clean there. The rest I will hand wash. Glass jugs and bottles anyway need to be washed manually. Along with that, I am also washing the stem glasses and cups. This is a cup tower. I mainly bought it for decor purpose, and you can see how dirty it has become just sitting there. Most of the glassware is now clean and a few items are still in the dishwasher. I've left everything out to dry now. Now I'll clean the glass unit. Just look at the amount of dust inside. In summers, the biggest problem is dust. No matter how much you clean, it settles again in no time. To clean the glass unit, I am using a simple solution of water, vinegar and dish liquid. It works really well for cleaning glass. Along with the glass shells, I have also cleaned the wooden parts of the unit and the doors, both from inside and outside. In our dining area, we also have a big window where I keep my plants. Since this window stays open most of the time these days, a lot of dust comes in. So I have moved the plants aside and wiped the whole area properly. This year, even Bangalore has been really hot. I don't think we have ever experienced this kind of heat here before. My anthurium plant has really struggled because of it. It usually needs a humid environment, but the weather has been very dry lately, so it has started drying out. I am trying to help it recover by misting it daily, hoping it does not get worse and bounces back soon. Now I will quickly dust the wall. The mirror wall art has been here for many years. It's metal and it collects quite a bit of dust, so I have taken it down to clean it properly. The paint has also started chipping off now. It just needs a quick repaint, otherwise it still looks really beautiful on the wall. A spray paint in the same color should work just fine. In the dining area, I also have my silver and gold play buttons. I'll clean those as well. By the way, this December, Simplify Your Space will complete 10 years. Unbelievable. Now I'll just clean the dining table and chairs. These are mostly cleaned daily anyway. For the floor, I have switched on my robo vacuum cleaner. It will take care of that while I empty the dishwasher. Wow, everything has been washed and dried so nicely. All the dishes are sparkling clean. And for those of you who are new here, you might be wondering, why do we need so much glassware for a nuclear family? I have answered this before as well. Honestly, for 3 people, you don't really need this many items. And if I wasn't a content creator making videos for you all, I probably wouldn't have had so much either. But since my home is also my studio and we shoot a lot of kitchen appliances reviews and recipe videos here, I do need extra different type of beautiful glassware and crockery. That's also why during renovation we added another crockery unit in the dining area for extra storage. Now I'm putting everything back in place. On the top shelf I have kept the items I don't use very often, like water jugs, containers and bottles. At eye level I have placed most of the glasses. The second last shelf has the teacups, and at the bottom I have kept the heavy and larger items. And with that, the glass unit reset is done. I am not cleaning the crockery unit today. I will do that in the next 1 or 2 days. To give a nice summer vibe, I am adding this very pretty and subtle checkered cotton tablecloth. I recently purchased it and I really like the length and quality. I got this from Amazon. I have shared the link in the description box in case you are interested. I also have this wooden floor lamp in the dining area. I am placing a few planters on its shelves to decorate it. Honestly, if you're a plant lover and enjoy keeping indoor plants at home, you don't really need a lot of other decor. These beautiful plants alone make the space look so fresh and lively. And that's it for today's cleaning. I cleaned the second crockery unit and the lower cabinet 2 days later. That part is coming up next in the video. Now I'm cleaning the crockery unit and the lower cabinet. I'm not emptying out the crockery unit completely because it's already clean and organized. Just a few things are out of place, so I'll fix those. Whatever wasn't kept properly, I have taken out for now. The lower cabinet where I keep table mats, tablecloths and a few other dining essentials, I'll empty that fully and clean it properly. It has become a little disorganized and some items have ended up here that don't belong, like this box. So first I'm taking everything out. Then I'll sort through it and decide what actually needs to stay here and what doesn't. When we got this house made, we had this rack installed to hang stem glasses inside this cabinet. But now all the glasses are kept in the glass unit, so I will be getting this removed. I'll also remove this rack attached to the door. The cabinet is now nicely clean and ready to be set again. Now I will just fix everything inside the crockery unit. During shoots when I'm in a hurry, a few items often get moved around. And even if a few things are out of place, the whole unit starts looking messy. Items that I don't use very often, I've placed at the back of the upper shelf. I keep my golden trays wrapped in a cloth bag so that the polish stays intact. That's it. Whatever needed fixing is done and this looks fine to me now. These are the dining mats. This new pack has just been lying here. I haven't even opened it yet. These are all the table runners and tablecloth. This runner is damaged now, so I'll discard it. These are cloth napkins. This set, I had them made from an old bedsheet. And these are the napkin holders. I'll put all of these into a box and store them together. This golden bowl set was in this cabinet. I'll move it to the crockery unit instead. And this is a card that we use sometimes for table decor when hosting guests. Now I'll just organize everything back neatly. Apart from table mats and tablecloths, I also keep tissue papers, coasters, salt and pepper shaker, a toothpick holder, a napkin holder, and a few extra vases here. And with that, the dining room cleaning and organizing is complete. Such a relief. And that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments how you're liking this deep cleaning series. I would love to hear from you. And do let me know in the comments which other areas of the house you would like to see deep cleaning videos for. Also, if there is any other topic you would like me to make a video on, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. And do subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.